Gather AI. Warehouses are the beating heart of supply chains. But managing inventory? That's usually slow, expensive, and error-prone. That's where Gather AI comes in, the world's first software-only autonomous inventory management platform. Founded in 2017 in Pittsburgh, Gather AI has raised more than $34 million from major investors to transform how warehouses operate. Instead of relying on manual scanning, Gather AI equips drones with advanced computer vision and AI to autonomously scan pallets, aisles, and racks, working around the clock. What makes it unique is that it's software only. Businesses don't need to buy expensive proprietary hardware. Gather AI runs on off-the-shelf drones, keeping costs low while delivering high efficiency. The results? Tasks that used to take hours are now done in minutes. Companies report up to 30x cost savings and 70% improvements in accuracy, drastically reducing emergencies like missing pallets. Gather AI's platform also integrates seamlessly with existing warehouse management systems, feeding real-time data analytics straight into operations. That means managers get instant visibility, better forecasting, and smarter decision-making. It's also highly scalable. From small facilities to massive distribution centers, Gather AI adapts with flexible SaaS subscriptions, making cutting-edge automation accessible to any business. Back-end index pointing right with Gather AI, warehouses become faster, smarter, and more accurate, powered by AI-driven drones instead of human guesswork.